What do you reckon, man?
Yeah, it'll be going by tomorrow.
Dad, what's happening, mate? Just testing out my video camera, man. Yeah, got it strapped to my head. Look pretty cool. Yeah. Just trying to get used to the functions, because, you know, it's kind of once you get used to it, it'll be alright. Yeah, to 60 meters. Yeah. Yeah, shit, people do. They strap them to kayaks and stuff. Yeah. So should be good, Dad. Oh shit. Yeah. Strapped it to my head now. Yeah, it would be, because it's waterproof and everything. Yeah, no, you can do everything. It's cool, definitely worth the money. Yeah, I reckon. Hope so. Huh?